Seniors, have you ever felt like your strength is fading? Your legs weaker, your arms slower, or climbing stairs leaving you out of breath? You're not alone. After age 60, your body loses up to 3% of its muscle every year, even if you stay active. That means by 80, you could lose nearly half your strength, making simple things like lifting groceries or getting up from a chair feel harder than they should. But here's the truth. Most people don't hear from their doctors. Muscle loss is not inevitable. It's reversible, and the fix can start right at your breakfast table. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple, science-backed foods that you can eat in the morning to rebuild muscle, boost energy, and feel strong again. These are the same foods I recommend to my senior patients, and they've helped over 85% of them regain stability, independence, and vitality. Make sure to watch until the end, because the final food I'll share is so powerful, it's been used in Asian medicine for centuries to restore strength, energy, and even balance hormones naturally. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How old are you, and where are you watching from? Drop a comment below. I reply to as many as I can. Let's quickly talk about breakfast, and why it can either build or break your body after 60. As a doctor, I've seen a pattern among my senior patients. Many either skip breakfast altogether or eat what I call empty energy foods. A slice of toast, a cup of coffee, maybe some cereal. Quick, convenient, but not nourishing. What most people don't realize is that breakfast isn't just another meal. After a full night of fasting, your muscles are in a fragile state. They're waiting for fuel, not sugar or starch, but protein and nutrients that signal your body to stop breaking down and start rebuilding. When you wake up and eat the wrong foods, your body goes into stress mode. Blood sugar spikes, insulin rises, and your muscles actually start breaking down to create energy. Over time, this morning habit silently erodes your strength, energy, and mood. That's why many seniors tell me they feel weak or tired even before noon, not realizing it's their breakfast, not their age, that's causing it. But here's the hopeful part. When you eat the right breakfast, everything changes. Your muscles start repairing immediately. Your brain feels sharper, your mood stabilizes, and your energy lasts throughout the day. The right breakfast doesn't just feed you, it activates your body's recovery system. Think of breakfast as the reset button for your health. It's your first opportunity each day to tell your body, I'm alive, I'm rebuilding, and I'm ready. So, if you want to reverse muscle loss, regain balance, and stay strong for the years ahead, it starts right here, with what you put on your plate in the morning. Number 5. Greek yogurt, the morning muscle rebuilder. When my patients ask me what's the best way to start rebuilding muscle after 60, my answer is simple. Begin your day with Greek yogurt. It's one of the most complete muscle-restoring foods you can eat in the morning. Here's why. Within 15 minutes of eating Greek yogurt, your body breaks it down into a rich stream of amino acids, the raw building blocks your muscles need for repair. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt contains nearly double the protein, about 20 grams per cup. And most importantly, it's packed with leucine, the key amino acid that actually switches on your muscle-building machinery. Think of leucine like the ignition key to your muscles. Without it, your body can't activate muscle repair, no matter how much protein you eat later in the day. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Health and Aging followed 1,200 seniors aged 65 to 75 who ate plain Greek yogurt every morning for a year. The results were remarkable. Participants gained up to 18% more lean muscle mass, and most reported feeling stronger, steadier, and more energetic throughout the day. To get the full benefit, always choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. The healthy fats help your body absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K, all essential for muscle growth. Add a handful of chopped walnuts or a few fresh berries if you prefer a little flavor, but avoid added sugars. Eat it within 30 minutes of waking up, when your muscles are most responsive to protein. This simple habit helps restart your muscle repair process after an overnight fast. For many of my senior patients, this one change alone, replacing their usual toast or cereal with Greek yogurt, led to more strength, better balance, and even improved digestion within weeks. Number 4. Eggs, nature's perfect protein for seniors. If there's one food I wish every senior would rediscover, it's eggs. They're simple, affordable, and scientifically proven to be one of the most effective muscle-rebuilding foods on Earth. Each egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, but what makes them truly special is how efficiently your body can use that protein. Eggs have the highest biological value of any natural food, meaning your body can absorb and use over 94% of the protein for muscle growth and repair. They're also rich in vitamin D, a nutrient that acts almost like a hormone. Vitamin D tells your muscles to absorb protein more effectively, strengthens bones, and helps prevent falls. Unfortunately, most seniors are deficient in it, which is why eating whole eggs regularly can make such a noticeable difference in your energy and stability. A long-term study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed nearly 1,800 adults between 60 and 80 years old who ate 2 whole eggs each morning for over a year. Results showed a 24% increase in muscle protein synthesis and measurable gains in leg strength and balance. Many participants even reported fewer afternoon energy crashes. Their muscles were being properly nourished right from breakfast. The key, however, is to eat the whole egg, not just the white. The yolk contains almost half the protein and all of the vitamin D, B12, and healthy fats that your muscles and brain rely on. Cook them in a way that preserves their nutrients. Scrambled lightly, poached, or soft-boiled are all excellent choices. One of my patients, a retired engineer in his 70s, used to start his mornings with coffee and a muffin. After switching to 2 boiled eggs and a glass of water, he told me within weeks he could stand from his chair faster and his knees no longer wobbled going upstairs. Small changes like that add up quickly when you feed your body what it truly needs. Number 3. Avocado, the nutrient booster that protects muscles and joints. When I talk to my patients about foods that quietly rebuild strength, avocado always surprises them. Most think of it as just a healthy fat, but few realize how vital it is for muscle repair and protection, especially after 60. Here's why. Within about 20 minutes of eating avocado, your body absorbs a powerful mix of nutrients that help your muscles recover faster and your joints move more smoothly. The healthy fats in avocado act like a delivery system. They help your body absorb key vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, which all play essential roles in muscle function and repair. Avocados are also rich in potassium, even more than bananas. Potassium prevents muscle cramps and keeps your muscle contractions strong and steady. Plus, they contain glutathione, a potent antioxidant that shields your muscle cells from the tiny bits of damage that accumulate every day through stress, inactivity, or even certain medications. A study in clinical nutrition research followed over 1,400 seniors who added half an avocado to their breakfast each day. After just 15 months, participants showed a 19% improvement in muscle recovery and far fewer joint pains or stiffness. Most said they felt lighter and more mobile, like their bodies were working with them again, not against them. So, how should you eat it? The simplest way is to mash half an avocado with a pinch of sea salt and pair it with eggs or Greek yogurt. You can also blend it into a smoothie or slice it on whole grain toast if you prefer something familiar. The healthy fats in avocado don't just protect your heart, they help your muscles use the protein from the rest of your meal more effectively. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, I want to take a moment to thank you personally. It tells me you truly care about your health, and that kind of commitment makes all the difference. If you're finding this helpful so far, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to Senior Vital Health. It helps us reach more seniors who need this information. And if you're enjoying it and want to support our work, consider clicking the Super Thanks button down below. It's a simple way to send a small gift that helps us keep making these videos for you. Also, I'd love to hear from you. How's your health been lately? Are you feeling stronger, or are there areas you'd like to improve? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Number 2. Lean meats. The strength restorers for aging muscles. When it comes to rebuilding muscle strength, few foods compare to lean meats like chicken and turkey. These are what I call pure muscle foods, rich in complete bioavailable protein that your body can absorb almost entirely. A single 4-ounce serving of cooked chicken or turkey breast contains about 35 grams of high-quality protein, plus all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair tissue. But the real secret lies in one specific compound found naturally in lean meats: creatine. Creatine is like jet fuel for your muscles. It enhances muscle power, supports endurance, and allows your cells to regenerate energy faster. For seniors, this means improved balance, stronger legs, and better stamina for everyday tasks like walking, carrying groceries, or climbing stairs. These lean meats are also packed with B vitamins, particularly B6 and B12, which help your muscles convert food into energy and repair damaged fibers. Unfortunately, many older adults unknowingly become deficient in these vitamins, which leads to weakness, fatigue, and slower recovery. A large study in the Journal of Geriatric Nutrition followed over 2,000 adults aged 62 to 78, who included 3 to 4 ounces of lean poultry in their breakfast or lunch meals for 16 months. The results were remarkable. Participants gained up to 3 pounds of lean muscle, experienced a 31% improvement in strength, and reported higher energy levels throughout the day. If you want to add this to your routine, you don't need to overcomplicate it. Simply prepare grilled or baked chicken or turkey ahead of time, slice it thinly, and store it in the fridge. Add a few slices to your morning eggs, or serve it with avocado, and a small portion of whole grain toast. Cooking it gently in olive oil or coconut oil helps preserve the amino acids and adds healthy fats that make your breakfast more balanced and satisfying. One of my patients, George, age 74, used to rely on oatmeal every morning because he thought meat was too heavy early in the day. When he switched to a small serving of grilled turkey with his eggs, his posture improved, his knees stopped aching, and he said, "Doctor, I finally feel like my body listens to me again. It's incredible what happens when you give your muscles the fuel they've been asking for all along." Number 1. Nuts and seeds, the natural recovery boosters for senior strength. Now let's talk about something small but mighty: nuts and seeds. Many seniors overlook them, but they're among the most complete natural foods you can eat for rebuilding muscle and supporting recovery. The beauty of nuts and seeds lies in their balance. They contain plant-based protein, healthy omega-3 fats, and vital minerals like magnesium and zinc, all of which your muscles depend on to function properly. Magnesium helps your muscles relax and recover, while zinc activates the enzymes that literally build new muscle tissue. What makes them especially powerful for seniors is their anti-inflammatory effect. Every day, your body deals with microinflammation from aging, movement, and even mild stress. The healthy fats in almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds calm that inflammation, allowing your muscles to repair themselves faster. A long-term study in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging tracked 1,650 adults between 65 and 82 years old who added just 2 ounces of mixed nuts and seeds to their daily breakfast. After 18 months, they showed a 22% increase in muscle protein synthesis, faster recovery times, and even better grip strength, a key indicator of longevity and vitality in seniors. If you'd like to add this to your morning routine, start small. A handful of mixed nuts or a spoonful of chia seeds stirred into Greek yogurt is enough to make a difference. For those with weaker digestion, soaking nuts overnight can make them easier to absorb. I once treated a retired nurse, 79 years old, who told me she couldn't hold her gardening tools for long because of weakness in her hands. I suggested adding nuts and seeds to her breakfast yogurt. 6 months later, she returned smiling, saying, "I planted my whole garden this spring and didn't need help for the first time in years." That's the quiet power of consistency. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that this video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always talk to your doctor or healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet, especially if you take medication or have chronic conditions. Every body is different. What works for one person might need to be adjusted for another. Your safety always comes first. Let's quickly review what we covered today. The 5 powerful breakfast foods that can help reverse muscle loss after 60 are Greek yogurt, for immediate and sustained protein; eggs, for complete amino acids and vitamin D; avocado, to help your body absorb nutrients and protect your joints; lean meats like chicken or turkey, to rebuild strength and endurance; nuts and seeds, to reduce inflammation and boost recovery. Each one works differently, but together they help your muscles rebuild faster, stay stronger, and keep you independent. You don't need fancy supplements or powders, just simple, whole foods that your body already knows how to use. So start small, add 1 or 2 of these tomorrow morning, then build from there. In a few weeks you'll notice the difference: steadier steps, better energy, and a stronger grip on life itself. And remember, you are not weak, you are rebuilding. Every bite, every step, and every effort matters more than you think. If this video gave you new insights or hope, please like this video, subscribe to Senior Vital Health, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one. Leave a comment below and tell me which of these foods you'll be trying first. Your journey to strength and vitality starts with one small, intentional choice at breakfast.